Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This story began in 1142. The state of Indonesia was in poverty at the time, and the Japanese government colonized the people of Indonesia. Japan came around 1142, forcing the people of Indonesia to become Japanese workers, even to lower the Indonesian flag and replace it with the Japanese flag. By arresting the Kiai who managed the Islamic boarding school, Japan thought it could control Indonesia and force the Indonesian people to become workers. The heirs of the Kiai is what the santri and resident of the Islamic boarding school are very worried about.
By arresting the Kiais, the Japanese have seemed no good intention and took out plan.
I heard that Kiai Muhajir was arrested only yesterday, whereas analyst Kiai Mahfuz was also arrested.
Santri and Kiai have been targeted by the Japanese.
What do you mean?
I mean, soon the Japanese will arrive to this boarding school, so they will attack this boarding school.
Realize Islamic boarding school, we have not many people with strong hearts.
I heard your talk. The Japanese don't know the greatness of Islamic boarding school. They only see surrounding people who can't do it.
But Kiai, the reason the Japanese arrested the Kiai because they killed many Indonesians.
They think that if they arrested the Kiai, they will control and enslave us, Indonesians, because we follow the Kiai. Japan will not be able to change our states, nor will they be able to stay in power. Japan doesn't know what Indonesia is doing.
Attack them now and get them out together here! Where's the Kiai?
Find Kiai and drag him here.
This is how you visit people's homes.
Here you are. Are you Kiai Hashim Asyari?
Yes, I am.
Take him.
No, Kiai.
You can just stand up!
Everyone, our friend has been trampled on by invaders. We must fight again. The Kiai being taken away. Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Put it over there!
Kiai, tell them to shut. Or I'll blow them out.
Okay, I'll go. But then the border must stand through again.
Kiai, no, Kiai.
Please, don't leave us, Kiai.
Get up!
Then the Japanese brought the Kiai to the base. The commander immediately interrogated him and gave him a statement to side with the Japanese.
Hamid, are you sure you want to go to Japanese base?
Yes, Harun. No doubt about it. I will bring the Kiai to home.
What if the Japanese soldier catches us?
Wallahi, Harun, even if I die, I still want to see the Kiai.
Meanwhile, Hamid and Harun did not escape seeing the Kiai taken to the Japanese base. They
Please
both
sign
devised
this
a plan
right
to
now.
infiltrate the Japanese base and bring the Kiai back to
This is a
Islamic boarding
declaration
school.
letter stating that you are on favor of Japan.
Big no. I cannot sign this. We will not leave our religion and will not do so.
Just sign it to make your life safe.
There's nothing worse than not gaining the faith. We will not leave our religion and not follow the Japan. Go ahead if you want to torture me.
Master, take him to prison.
Meanwhile, Hamid and Harun did not escape seeing the Kiai taken to the Japanese base. They both devised a plan to infiltrate the Japanese base and to the Islamic boarding school.
Ham, Haru, what are you doing? The Japanese must know you're here.
Who's there? Soldiers, go after them! Who are you? How dare you come here? What do you talking about? I understand what you say. Are you santri of Kiai Haji Hashim Asy'ari? Yes, I'm santri of Kiai. So, what do you want now? Ha ha ha! You want to back her? Okay, you can back. Hamid! Hamid!
Your struggle fisabilillah, Hamid.
Everyone, we cannot go on like this. Tomorrow, we will go to Japanese base. We will demonstrate and freedom our Kiai. Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
The next morning, the sanctuary come to the Japanese base. They chant the name of God and demonstrate the Kiai's freedom.
This is your punishment.
Let's go, guys. We go to Japanese base.
To worship Sun
Kiai!
God.
Free our Kiai! Free our Kiai!
This is because you refuse
Kiai!
to worship Sun God.
Why? Where is our
This is
Kiai in
because
Japan?
you refuse
Where is our
to
Kiai?
start judgment.
Where is our Kiai in
This is
Japan?
because you refuse to follow Japan.
Kiai! Why? Where is our Kiai? Where is our Kiai? Why free our Kiai? Where is our Kiai?
Syahjamal!
Kiai! Kiai!
On the next occasion, the Japanese official held a gathering. There, the psycho spoke to his confidence.
I think to get the attention of the Indonesian people can be through the religious means because Islam in the majority. So we must embrace the Kiai.
Yes.
There are 60 million people in Indonesia who are Muslim and they follow the Kiai. Therefore, we must pursue the Kiai's personally.
I think maybe we can organize training for Kiai. Right?
Good idea. With training, we can make Kiai to the Japanese government and become our friend.
Okay, release all of the Kiai who's Japanese prisoner. Now,
Kita udah mau masuk.
All the Kiais who are Japanese prisoner were released, including Kiai Hashim Asy'ari,
Kiai!
who was waiting for the student
Kiai!
in front of prison.
Kiai!
1142, at the Governor's Place of Batavia, Seiko gathered 32 ulama to discuss Kiai training and founded the Masyumi Indonesia Muslim Shura Council under the leadership of Kiai Hasim Ash'ari. Japan made an agreement with Indonesia that contained one, building the Baldilinas, multiplying the produce of the land, and two, member of the propaganda line, farm crops.
Japan asking Indonesian people to multiply crops, while we don't know what they want.
I know. We should follow them. But if there's any misuse, we should do something.
But look, Kiai, Japanese told Masyumi to make a speech to multiply crops for us, held after every Friday prayer.
This speech also a suite of the ayat Quran and Hadith, and this crop is a staple approach and to make the Indonesian to make the Japan
I know. I understand.
Sometime later, Kiai Zainal Mustafa gathered the Indonesian people in the market to talk about the Japanese who are increasingly reckless toward them.
Everyone, we will hurt our brother. It's our right and our not only not depositing our right. They take our Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
After the Kiai speech, the Indonesian people marched to attack the army, taking back the rice. They handed over to the Japanese, but unfortunately, because of the incident, the Japanese army immediately Kiai Zainal Mustafa.
Sir, we managed to catch one Indonesian who led the rebellion this morning.
How insolent he is.
Commander asked for the punishment for him, sir.
Public execution for him. Now.
kita hadapi bersama. Beribu suka dan duka mewarnai cerita kita. Kilauan peluh dan air mata membakar api yang membara. Kita melangkah bersama, mewujudkan mimpi menjadi nyata. Satu asa dan sejiwa untuk meraih cita, tundukkan dunia. Menembus segala rintangan untuk menggapai gemilang di sana. Kilauan peluh dan air mata membakar api yang membara. Kita melangkah bersama, mewujudkan mimpi menjadi nyata. Satu asa dan sejiwa untuk meraih cita, tundukkan dunia. Hanya yang terbaik, yang tegak berdiri di puncak dunia. Kita melangkah bersama, mewujudkan mimpi menjadi nyata. Satu asa dan sejiwa untuk meraih cita, tundukkan dunia. Melangkah bersama, mewujudkan mimpi menjadi nyata. Satu asa dan sejiwa untuk meraih cita, tundukkan dunia.
Harun, where are you going? I can't stay here. There is no reason to stay here. Why is it like this? Look, the Kiai is on the side of the Japanese.
Harun, what are you hell, Harun? Istighfar.
Don't you understand that when Kiai Zainal was beheaded by the Japanese, it was all because Kiai is on the side of the Japanese. Kiai has been very kind to you, Harun. Allah, I don't know Kiai anymore. He's not my Kiai anymore.
Harun, maybe your expensive to Kiai was wrong, Harun. Harun.
Why is Harun so badly prejudiced against you? Tell me, Kiai, if there's something bothering you. Yeah, I see. We need the time to prove the truth of things.
A few days later, the Ministry of Religion Sumbu and Mashumi were united under the leadership of Kiai Hasim Ash'ari. Japan considered this measure will make it easier to control and solving the problem of Islam. On September 7, 1944, Japan announced the promise of independence. Japan's position began to waver. Japan needed greater support from the Indonesian people. General Sukarno made a policy of applying the military system to the Indonesian people for Japan, because Japan promised independence to Indonesia.
Japan asked Indonesia you to join the Heiho or the Japanese military, including santri student.
So, Japan asked Indonesian people to fight. Santri are not familiar with military education. If they are taken, it will only be troublesome.
Kiai and Gus Wahid must have heard the news that Bung Karno applied the military system to Japan because Japan promised independence to Indonesia.
Military training.
Yes,
I think what Mr. Ono said is true, Kiai. If Indonesia wants to be independent, it needs a military force. So, Mr. Ono is very important for us.
so Gus Wahid agrees with me.
How about this, Kiai?
It's crazy when the Sanders taken to West Java to be trained military with the Japanese. Santri, military with the Japanese? Nonsense! Just be decided. Santri with the military with Japanese. It's crazy.
Harun, let's join the Hezbollah line. Let's go, Harun.
Let's go, Harun.
Let's go.
Proklamasi kami, bangsa Indonesia, dengan ini menyatakan kemerdekaan Indonesia. Hal-hal yang mengenai pemindahan kekuasaan
Let's go, guys. Take
dan
them!
lain-lain diselenggarakan dengan cara saksama dan dalam tempo yang sesingkat-singkat
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Arena Gembira kelas 5 dan 6 Pondok Pesantren